Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to solve a problem from December 24 financial management problem. Okay, and this is from the cost of capital. And let's quickly read the problem what it is. Okay. Prakash Packers has the following capital structure. Okay, he has the equity share capital of 200 lakhs, 14 percentage of preference share capital, which is face value of rupees 100, retained earnings of 100 lakhs, debentures of 12 percentage debentures of 300 lakhs, and 11 percentage term loan from bank, which is 50 rupees, so 50 lakhs, right? 50 lakh rupees. Then they have given the data to find out the cost of capital for everything, for every sources of finance, right? Market price per equity share is rupees 32. They expected to declare a dividend per share is rupees 2 per share, because they are expecting, which is D1. Okay, already there is a dividend paid is D0, so they are expecting planning to declare, so expected to declare is D1. Okay, right? There will be a growth of 10% in growth. So what they are using is dividend pricing model in with growth rate. Okay, dividend pricing model with growth rate, we are using the thing. And the next thing is preference shares are redeemable at a premium. Okay, it's a redeemable, and we can use the formula, which is formula method, no? So we can use that. And premium they are paying is redeeming at rupees 5 of premium, which is 105. And after 8 years, and the current trading price, net proceeds is 84 in the market. Okay, debenture redemption will take place after 7 years at a premium of 5. Okay, this is also 105. Okay, the current market price is 90. Okay, the net proceeds. Tax rate is 40%. So we will quickly solve the problem. Okay, the first thing we have is KE. KE, right? What's the formula for KE? Dividend pricing models in Gordon approach. This is D1 divisible by net proceeds plus growth rate. What's the D1, which is 32? What's the net proceeds, which is D1 is 2 per share. No, net proceeds is 32 market price. Sorry, which is P0, P0 or net proceeds, everything is similar only. So 32 plus growth rate is 10%. So 2 divisible by 32 plus 10%, which is 10.0625. Guys, this is not 10%, this is 0.1. Okay, we have to round it. We have to change the percentage into decimal. So this will be 2 divisible by 32 plus 0.1, which is 0.1625%, right? The KE percentage. Then we have to find out the KP. KP is what? Preference dividend plus RV minus NP divisible by N divisible by redemption value minus plus net proceeds divisible by 2 is the formula. What's the preference dividend? Preference dividend they are paying out is 14% of 100, then 14 rupees plus what's the redemption value, which is 105, minus what's the net proceeds, which net proceeds is 84. What's the number of years? 8 years, right? Divisible by redemption value plus net proceeds divisible by 2. So if we calculate 105 minus 84 divisible by 8, 16.625 divisible by plus 84 divisible by 2, which is 94.5, which comes around 16.625 divisible by 94.5, which is, this comes around 0.1759. Okay, Yes, these guys, these are all not percentages. These are all we are converting into a decimals. Okay. So the next one is KD. KD is equal to interest into 1 minus T plus RV minus NP divisible by N divisible by RV plus NP divisible by 2. What's the interest rate they are paying? 12% interest they are paying. 12 rupees minus 1 by 1 minus 0.4 is the tax rate, plus RV is how much? Redemption values, premium of 5. Okay, 105 minus net proceeds is 84 divisible by how many years they are issuing the debentures? 7 years divisible by 105 plus net proceeds 84 divisible by 2. $7.2 plus 105 minus 84 divisible by 7, which is 3. 105 plus 84 divisible by 2, which is 94.5. So 7.2 plus 3 divisible by 4.5, which is 0.1079. Okay, this is the KD. Lastly, we have KT, term loan. KT is interest into 1 minus T only. Other than that, we don't have anything, right? There is no other that redemption and all. It's only repaying the loan. So the thing is, 50 interest rate is 11%. Okay, 3 into 11%. So that's it. 11%, 0.11, 1 minus 0.4. Okay, 0.11 into 0.6, which is 0.66 is the 0.066 is the term loan. Guys, now we can easily prepare the table, which is statement of WAC. Okay, what's the sources, how much rupees, what's their weight, what's the cost. Okay, weighted cost. That's it. Equity, preference, retained earnings. Okay, we have missed the retained earnings. No, retained earnings is nothing but the KE only. KR. Okay, retained earnings. Debentures, term loan. Okay, 200 lakhs, 100 lakhs, 100 lakhs, 300 lakhs, 50 lakhs. So totally 750. So 200 divisible by 750, which is 0.266. 100 divisible by 750, which is 0.133. 100 divisible by 750, which is 0.133. 300 divisible by 750, which is 0.4. 50 divisible by 750, which is 0.066. Okay, what are all the cost we have? For equity, 0.1625, and for KP, which is 0.1759, and for KD, 0.1079, and for KT, 0.66. KT 0.66. We have missed a 0 here. Okay, then 0.1625. So multiply all these things, we'll get the weighted things. Okay, 0.1625 So total it will get the WAC. Okay, 0.04322 plus 0.02339 plus 0.02161 plus 0.0432 plus 0.004356, which is 0.315781. Guys, we have done one mistake, which is this is not 84. This is 84 is the value in net proceeds of preference shares. No, so we have wrongly misunderstood, which is actually the 90 is the value. So then the value will be changing here. So let's quickly do this. 12 into 0.6, which is 7.2 plus 105 minus 90 divisible by 7, which is 2.12143. 105 plus 90 divisible by 2, which is 97.5. 7.2 plus 2.143 divisible by 97.5, which is 0.0958 is the answer. Right, let's quickly plug it here. 0.0958. Multiply this, we'll get the figure, which is 0.4 into 0.0958, which is 0.03832. That's it, no? So 0.043225 plus 0.02339 plus 0.02161 plus 0.03852 plus 0.004356. This comes around 0.31101. So it approximately 13.11% is the WAC. So that's it. No, this is the way we have to understand the problem here and there. If you are starting working on the problems in a freshly, we have started this, there might be mistakes will here and there will make, but the problem is very easier one only. Thank you.